Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to edit the total price filter on Vrbo to help you find the best deals for your next vacation. So let's start. So first is open your Vrbo app on your phone or go to their website on your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next is enter the location you want to visit and your travel dates at the top of the screen. Then hit search. After the results show up, look for the filters button, which is usually near the top of the page or screen. Tap on it to open the filters option. Now scroll down in the filters until you see the price section. Here you'll see a slider to total price or price per night. Now drag the slider to adjust the total price range you're comfortable with. You can also manually enter a minimum or maximum price if you prefer. Once you've set your desired price range, tap apply and Vrbo will now show the properties that fit within your total price filter. And that's it. You've successfully edited the total price on Vrbo to find properties within your budget. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips.